That's why you see so many people going vegan and looking into the Daniel fast, because God wants to get the information to you, but are you in position to hear what God is saying? And that's why the Daniel fast is so important. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you saw in the title and in the thumbnail, we are talking about the Daniel fast. This is the only video that you need to watch. I have been doing the Daniel fast for the last 2 years. I've helped hundreds of women have breakthrough in their life through the Daniel fast. And today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to have a successful Daniel fast, whether it's 10 days or 21 days. I'm giving you everything that I know, and let's just look at some testimonials of some success that we've had with the Daniel fast. So as you can see, my success rates when it comes to the Daniel fast and just allowing people to have breakthrough when they are going on this Daniel fast are through the roof. And today I'm giving you everything that I know. I want to invite you on a journey with me, to come along with me for 10 days as we fast with God. If you catch this video by February 21st, 2022, I'm inviting you to join us on a 10-day Daniel fast. You saw the testimonials. If you want to break through in your life and you want to see chains broken off of you, you want to see things happen in your life, come along with us. Every week in the month of February, I am going to upload a new video helping you prepare and get ready for the Daniel fast. So this week is just giving you the how and the what. How to Daniel fast and what the Daniel fast is. Next week, I'm going to take you on a grocery haul with me to show you some things that you can purchase to have a successful Daniel fast. And then the week after that, we're really going to do what we need to do to prepare for the Daniel fast. So if that's something that you are interested in, you want to stay connected, you want to fast with us, I'm going to give you a free download. It should pop up right now, but I'm also going to give it to you at the end of this video. But subscribe right now because you need to stay connected. Because we're going to be doing live videos every single day during the 10-day fast on this YouTube channel. You don't want to miss it. I'm answering questions. I'm talking about the most asked things that God has given us. Now just hold on. We're going to get into the video and I'm going to give you the how and the what, but I want you to subscribe. Check the playlist. If you come after that date, check the playlist because we're going to have every single video and I'm giving you everything that you need to have a successful fast. I need to stress this. When we fast, the priority, the goal, the most important part of it all is that we are reducing the amount of foods that we're eating. We're killing our flesh every single day because we are saying, Lord, I want to consecrate myself. I want to slow down time. I want to make sure that I can get to you while I'm fasting. Now, I give this example all the time. So just imagine your body is a drain. Your body is a drain, and everything that has been going on in our life, that those bills that haven't been paid, that fear that you're holding on to, that business and that ministry and the things that you feel are not moving in your life, it's more than likely not moving because God is trying to give you the strategy. He's trying to give you the insight. He's trying to give you the knowledge. He's trying to get these things to you. But because our drain is clogged and it's way down, think about your sink. When you get too much hair in your drain and you got to go and figure out what to do, or a toilet, when it's plunged and stopped up, but then we get the plunger and we plunge it out. We plunge it out, right? And we plunge it out and then we have flow. And that's what God wants to do. When we allow ourselves to fast, when we allow ourselves to pray, when we allow ourselves to prioritize Him, when we focus on our relationship with Him, every single day of a 10-day or a 21-day fast, it's like our drain is being unclogged. And that's why people have breakthrough when they fast. A Daniel fast is basically saying, you know what? I'm not seeking God the way that I used to. I'm not running after Him the way that I used to. I don't have the clarity and I don't have the strategy that I need. So you know what I need to do? I need to press the reset button and I need to get back to God. And that is what the fast is. But it's also going into the Bible. And the Bible talks about Daniel where he had the option of having choice foods. Like you can eat the choice foods, but he said, we're going to eat fruits and vegetables. And this is the part that most people miss. When he decided to not eat the choice foods, to not go after the wine and the meats and everything, he was able to hear God clearer. Like, we got to understand that part. It's not about the food, but when we are eating foods that are lighter, that break down easier, it doesn't take as much for it to digest in us. And so the Bible tells us that his visions were clear. He was able to hear God. God was able to elevate him because he was able to really hear and be led by God. Where we are right now in the season, God wants to get wisdom. He wants to get strategy to us. He wants us to be able to build the ministries, build the businesses, do the things, like be able to lead in our jobs. He wants to get that information to us, but many of us are not in a position to be able to get those downloads from God, because God is like, I want to be able to speak to you and I want you to be able to hear me consistently. And so that's why you see so many people going vegan and looking into the Daniel fast, because God wants to get the information to you, but are you in position to hear what God is saying? And that's why the Daniel fast is so important. We talked about everything of what the Daniel fast is. We talked about why it's important. Let's go into the food now. As you guys can see, I have my Daniel fast food here, just to give you guys an example of what is acceptable on a Daniel fast. So I have my corn, I have my corn on the cob, I have sweet potatoes, I have my regular potatoes, Brussels sprouts, salad, mushrooms, apples, grapefruit, bananas, sunflower seeds, kidney beans, black beans, strawberries, apples, cucumbers. I'm gonna break it down because I want to make sure that you guys have everything you need. So I have my handy dandy Daniel fast book here, and I'm gonna read everything off to you as a checklist. But just remember, you're gonna have this in the workbook, don't worry. But I'm gonna include everything here so that you guys know exactly what is acceptable to eat and what you wanna avoid. So foods that you want to eat. Fruits and vegetables. These can be fresh, they can be frozen, they can be dried, they can be canned. Whole grains, brown rice, barley, quinoa, things like that. Whole grains you can eat and they are a yes for the Daniel fast. Herbs and spices, they can be fresh or dried. Legumes, lentils, peas, beans, dried or canned, it doesn't matter. The beans are what helps keep you full. Nuts and seeds, that's peanuts, almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, all natural peanut butter, plant-based oils, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, non-dairy milks. And you can put that into a smoothie. So let's just say you wanted to make a smoothie where you have mango, you have almond milk, you have banana, you know, fresh squeezed orange juice. Those are some things that you can put together to make a smoothie while you're on a Daniel fast. Tofu, water. So this is what is acceptable. You don't have to try to remember it now. I'm going to put everything in the workbook so that you have everything in your handy dandy workbook, so you can download that. But I want to go through everything today because, as I mentioned, this, what you see here, these are acceptable. And you can create whatever you want. One day you can have a baked potato. The next day you can have fries cut up and you can put it in the air fryer and you can have fries with the potato. Sweet potatoes with Brussels sprouts and, you know, brown rice and broccoli with some tofu. Like, you can do a lot of things. These are the foods that you want to avoid. First one is meat. There's no meat in the Daniel fast. You cannot eat meat. So any meat for these 10 days is a no. Poultry, fish, any dairy, milk, butter, cheese, that's a no. That's a hard one for some people. Eggs are another one that is a no. Honey is a no. Bread and bread products, so pasta, bagels, things like that. Candy, gum, sweets, and desserts, that's a no. Chips and other salty snacks. You can't eat your chips, you can't eat your Flamin' Hots. You can't eat it, I'm sorry. It's just 10 days. It's just 10 days. You can go back to eating it after these 10 days. It's solid fats. So butter, sometimes it's solid fat, anything like that, ghee, little things like that, that's a no. Sugar, flat out sugar is a no. Anything with sugar in it. Processed or refined grains, so that's white rice. No white rice, like, cut that out. We can eat brown rice, even cauliflower rice, but white rice is no. Coffee, no. Tea, no. Soda or pop, no. Energy drinks, no. Because I say this, sometimes I drink coffee, and if I drink coffee to get a boost or pumped up to do my work, then it's like I'm leaning on that coffee more than I'm leaning on God for strength. So I'm leaning on the coffee to get things done. So coffee is a no. And last but not least, alcohol. So that is our full list of things that we want to avoid. Again, it's in the workbook. You can check it out. But I want to give it to you in this video just so you can hear it and begin thinking about, this is what I'm eating right now, so this is what I need to do to prepare for this 10-day Daniel fast. If you made it to the end of this video, comment below. Let me know if you're excited, if you're ready, if you're joining us, if you download the workbook, because We're about to have breakthrough. Don't click off of this video. I want to lead you into how to spend time with God and how to make a space for God during the Daniel fast. So you should see a couple of videos pop up on the screen right now. Get started. Like, don't waste time. If you know that you're ready to fast and you're ready to seek God on a new level, now is the time. Click the videos on the screen right now. Go to the playlist, the Faith series, download the workbook, get connected. And I can't wait to hear your testimonial. Talk to you soon.